So I'm out here at a job today in St Clair for a customer who's with NBN, HFC, with their ISP being Telstra. Now, they've spoken to Telstra a few times trying to get this problem sorted out, but the problem just keeps persisting. Now, what I've found, the first thing I did was I disconnected the router here, did a factory reset on the NBN connection device, because when I first come in, I was getting no internet. Even when I plugged my Ethernet port straight into here, straight into my laptop, I wasn't getting any internet. So what I usually will do first is work out, okay, well, is it coming to NBN? So generally with this, you've got to do a factory reset if it's already been plugged into this for you to be able to plug your laptop straight into it. So reset it, within a couple of minutes, it'll come back on. Plugged my laptop in, boom, internet coming through, 52 download, and we got 20 up. So I knew at this point everything was good. Then before that, I actually went outside to where the NBN comes in, and I removed the isolator first, because when I first did it, for some reason I wasn't being able to test it properly. Removed the isolator, and then what I did notice is that it wasn't actually screwed up. It was like halfway in, and so with these you've got a center pin and then you've got the two outer pin at the outer sheath. So I screwed it up and then it all come good, right? So then I was getting to be able to test here 50, 52. So I think there was a couple of little issues here. One, it was probably not connected properly, but once I've reconnected it via the WAN cable back into the Telstra router here, I'm unable to get internet. And so what I'm finding is that when I go to connect, and it's an intermittent thing, right? So now it's just seemed to have the Wi-Fi might have just come back on again now. So it's connected here. So let's just see if the speed test here is working now, because that hasn't been working for quite a while, and it's just come back on again. So there's definitely some sort of an intermittent fault. So I've clicked on it, and you can see it's just spitting and nothing happens, right? And you can see here, we've got the lights coming on, the online light, the WAN light, and the phone. Now I've taken out the SIM card, because I have had jobs before where these routers can sometimes have clashes with the SIM, and it'll keep defaulting back over to the SIM card. So I've removed it just while I'm doing the tests. And then even now, say it's showing that it should be, right? And we've just clicked on that and it's still not connecting, right? Even though it's showing the Wi-Fi. If I look on my phone, right, it will tell me it's connected with no internet. But then at some stage, maybe in the next 5-10 minutes, this will reconnect and, you know, they'll get internet again, and I'll test it and they'll be like 52 meg. But it's not happening, right? So what I want to do now is I'm going to show you that to this point, to NBN, that we're getting a decent signal when I connect directly via Ethernet. What I'll do first, actually, let me just we'll disconnect the Wi-Fi and we'll connect directly via Ethernet, so you can see what is going on here. Let me just get rid of that, and we'll just turn off the Wi-Fi. Okay, Wi-Fi off. Now I'm going to connect my Ethernet cable directly to it. So now you can see I've got the Ethernet cable connected, right? And we've still got the spinning wheel of doom. Let's just try and open up a fresh one. I'll come here, just type in speed test. Okay, and try again. And let's open that. That's probably just cached because of I don't use this sort of time. And the same, so that's the one I tried from the Wi-Fi. This is the one I'm trying over Ethernet. All right, so you can see now, nothing is really happening between those, right? So next step now, I'm just going to try something else and then I'll come back. Okay, so the next thing I did, just for the sake of it, I replaced their one that had come with their router with one of my brand new ones, right? Connecting the WANs together. And as you can see, I just tried again to open up another one here on Google and nothing's happening. So it's on a cable, right? So now what I'm going to do, connect directly to NBN and show you we've got internet to that point. So this is to prove to Telstra, because Telstra basically fobbed them off and said, oh, it's not the router, it's something to do with your cabling and blah, blah, blah. Telstra's old, mode of operation. But we're doing this so they've got 100% proof that this is what's going on. Okay, so now I just did a quick factory reset on this NBN here again, and I've plugged in my Ethernet cable going up to my laptop, and look at that. Now we've got internet, right? So we'll do a speed test here, and you can see that's working, and we're getting the speed they're paying for coming in, right? So to the modem, the NBN HFC connection device, it's good, right? We know it's not the cable going between them because we swapped the cable out, and we know that it's all good coming into this point. So the only thing left, is this guy here, right? So Telstra, you need to basically give this customer a new modem router, and you're going to have to reimburse them for the cost of our service call today, because your person on the phone told them there's no way 100% that it could have been their router, when I've just proved without a shadow of a doubt that it is. Okay, all right. So now everything's been reconnected again, and so I've also done a factory reset on the Telstra modem, Telstra router, just to make sure it wasn't a problem there, but we're getting the same issue. And you can see all their devices, check internet connection, and then when they go to Foxtel, and they're just getting this, right? And so they've got their Foxtels connected via LAN cable, and basically, yeah, that's what's going on here. All right. Hey guys, it's Jason here from Securicom. So if you're in need of some internet help, whether that is getting a fault fixed up like a bridge tap, or you have some sort of an issue on your NBN service, or maybe you need to have some new cabling and sockets installed, we provide a range of services to help you out. There'll be some links underneath this video, and you can click on those links and I'll take you through to our website where you can book my service. All right, thank you very much. Goodbye.